Hey guys, in this video we are going to see that if you're facing some kind of CAPTCHA errors in Chrome, that you're continuously receiving this CAPTCHA error, how can we resolve this in Chrome? Let's see. Now first of all, what you can do and try is just update your Chrome browser. Friends, the outdated version causes many problems including the CAPTCHA error. So if you want to quickly update your Chrome browser without just uninstalling it and reinstalling it again, you just have to do one thing. Just open the browser and click on this three dots right here and just simply go to the settings. Now on the settings, you can see on the left hand side, we have this about Chrome option just right here. Click on here and you will see that either it will start the update automatically, or if it is up to date, it will show you that this Chrome is up to date. So if it updates, just check if it resolves the error, but if not, we can try the second method. Now the second method you can do is just go to the three dots and disable all the extensions basically. So what you can do here, that if you're, let's say, on the main screen, just click on the three dots and click on the settings, or you can just directly go to extensions and manage extensions directly from here. And here you will get all your extensions. So if you have a lot of them, I recommend you to disable or remove these extensions and see if that solves your problem. You can also enable the developer mode. So if you have some extensions that are externally installed, that might be causing the problem as well. So you can just deactivate those ones as well. Now what you can also do is just go to the VPN settings and make sure that your VPN is disabled. So for example, if you go to, let's say I'm using Avast one. So if the VPN is turned on just like that, you can just turn it off and see if that resolves your problem. Now the last thing that you need to do is just disable the proxy server. Sometimes the proxy server is enabled and that might be causing the clashes with the Chrome browser. So you need to turn that off. How we can do that? Just go to the start menu and right here, settings. So once you see the settings, just click on here. And from here on the left hand side, you can see this network and internet option. Now just click on this proxy option right here. Now, if you have a proxy server setup, you will see this manual proxy server setup, and this will show you this toggle button like to on or off. Just turn off the manual one and see if that resolves your problem. So guys, I hope one of the solutions might work for you. And if a particular one works for you, so just comment down below so that it can help out all the community out here. And if you want to learn more amazing tips and tricks, you can check out the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.